Welcome to the EnDo Strategy Historical Cycle series. In this series, we start from the very beginning of the Nasdaq 100's history and move step by step through real historical examples to show how the EnDo strategy works in practice. Cycle number 2. This cycle begins on June 2nd, 1986. The day we took profit from the previous cycle and closed all positions. From here, we wait for a pullback movement. In this case, by the time the pullback is identified, the bullish daily candle that signals entry has already formed. Therefore, instead of waiting for that candle to close, we make our first entry attempt immediately. When entering, we place a stop loss according to rule number 1 and buy an amount equal to half of the cash available in our account following rule number 2. If the market continues to fall, the stop loss will be triggered and will take a small loss. But this time, the market does not decline, it starts to rise. When a bullish daily candle forms after a pullback, we make a second entry. However, the market then drops again and the stop loss from the first entry is triggered. We take our first loss. From now on, each time a bullish daily candle closes after a stop loss, we continue making new entry attempts based on rule number 1 and rule number 2. Trying to catch the end of the decline. After the 5th attempt, the market finally begins to move upward. We follow the same rules. After a pullback, if a bullish candle closes, we make a second entry under rule number 2. But soon, a strong decline occurs and the stop loss from the 5th attempt is triggered. Still, we stay disciplined. No emotions, just rules. As soon as the next bullish candle closes, we make another entry using half of our available cash according to rule number 2. This time, the market begins to rise. Now, we wait for a pullback to make our second entry. The pullback is identified, but the bullish daily candle has already formed. So, following rule number 2, we use the remaining account balance to enter. As always, we place a stop loss under rule number 1. The market dips again, triggering the stop loss. We wait once more for a bullish candle to appear and close, then make another entry with the remaining balance under rule number 2. The market rises again. At this stage, we're holding 2 positions, meaning the account is fully allocated. During the next pullback, we take no new action. We simply wait. If the market falls and hits a stop loss, we'll re-enter after the next bullish daily candle. But if the stop losses are not triggered and the market continues rising, we stay patient until the previous losses are recovered and we reach a 15% profit. Once the 15% target profit is achieved, we close both positions, completing the cycle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll continue in the next historical cycle video.